Dear friends, please see here a notification from High Court of Gujarat, Ahmedabad. They are asking from eligible candidates for the post of private secretary on direct recruitment basis. First, we have to know the qualifications for private secretary. You see here a graduate from recognized university and speed of 120 words per minute in English shorthand and knowledge of computer operations are very much required here, dear friends. And this is direct recruitment process. Here you can see in total 27 vacancies are there, and it is categorized according to reservations also. In total 27 vacancies are there, for which the commencement of online applications from 1st July 2021, that is from today onwards, and last date is 15th July 2021, for which here three types of examination are going to be held. That is one preliminary test, that is objective type questions are there. The exam is to be conducted on 28th August 2021, and a skill test is going to be conducted on 26th September 2021, and the interview follows during October November 2021. This is only online application mode it is. If you are interested and if you are eligible for this vacancy, there is need to apply for this as early as possible, because here only 15 days time is there, only less time is there. So you should apply if you are eligible for this post. Okay, just you see online applications from eligible candidates for filling up 27 vacancies of private secretary in the pay matrix of rupees 44,900 to 1,42,400 plus usual allowances are as per rules. So, dear friends, it is a good opportunity to you to appoint as a private secretary. Good salary is there. Just you will get around 70,000 if you get an appointment for this vacancy, dear friends. Okay, eligibility criteria is like that, and the knowledge of computers also essential here. And you see age limit. A candidate should be between 18 to 35 years of age as on 15th July 2021, and upper age limit also relaxable as per the rules of High Court, dear friends, and reservation likewise, and just you see fees and mode of payment. Dear friends, the candidates belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, socially and economically backward classes, and physically challenged persons, ex servicemen, and EWS candidates have to pay rupees 500 as an examination fee, and rest of the candidates should pay an amount of rupees 1000 as an application or examination fee through SBI ePay. The link is given here. Just you click on the link and just you pay it accordingly, my dear friends. These are all general instructions are given here. While you are applying through online mode, just you should be careful first, before clicking the system. Just you read all the instructions very carefully, and just you go through, dear friends. Here you see scheme of examination. The competitive examination will be conducted at Ahmedabad or at any place. You see here three categories are there in the examination process, that is preliminary test, that is objective type questions, multiple choice questions for 100 marks it is, and after that stenography test will be there for 60 marks, and interview follows for 40 marks. You see here the syllabus of objective type of questions: general knowledge, English language, Gujarati language, current affairs, numerical and mental ability, and computer fundamentals. Based on the above syllabus, you are going to get the questions from graduate level standard here. And there should be negative marks also there. For every wrong answer, negative marking of 0.33 is going to be deducted, dear friends. And the candidate shall have to secure minimum 50% in the preliminary test, and only those qualifying therein shall be allowed to appear for stenography skill test. Dear friends, so it is very important here to qualify in preliminary test, that is objective type questions. If you get only, if you get 50% of qualifying marks only, eligible to go for skill test, otherwise not. So the written examination, objective type of examination is very very important, otherwise you cannot get an opportunity to write a skill test. So dear friends, based on the syllabus, just you go through and read well, my dear friends. And these are all general instructions only. You see, candidate shall have to secure minimum 60% of marks in stenography or skill test. Okay, after completion of preliminary test, after qualifying in that preliminary test, you are going to be called for stenography test. In this stenography also, just you have to secure 60% of the marks. Otherwise, they cannot, you cannot move to interview. That is also very important. And here you see interview, that is for 40 marks. The candidate shall have to secure minimum 40 marks in the interview. This is also very important. That means, just you see, dear friends, here for preliminary test you have to secure 50% here, and for stenography test you have to secure 60% here, and for interview also just you have to secure 40% of marks here. That is very very important, my dear friends. And the selection procedure is based on aggregate marks that is required, dear friends. Okay, disqualification, etc. are there. That is, the common rules will be there. The candidate, while applying the same, just you go through all these things. How to apply means, just you click on the given web address, and you will get the instructions from time to time how to apply and how to go through, dear friends. That is, these are all general instructions only. These are all general, these are all general instructions only. Just you go through all these, just you go through like this. So dear friends, please just you apply accordingly. This is a very good opportunity to you to get a private secretary. Here one condition, the instruction given here, the candidates of Gujarat, they may apply, and of course all India candidates also eligible to apply. But those who are applying for this vacancy from out of Gujarat state, they are not entitled to get reservation, dear friends. Otherwise, the same for all. Okay, if you want to get any reservation from other states, it is not applicable to you. But just you go for open competition if you are interested to apply from other states. But Gujarat state people are eligible according to the rules of reservations. Anyway, it is good opportunity to apply, my dear friends. Anyway, all the best. And this is from my side. This is for your kind information. Thank you.